Hi and welcome all of you. I am Magesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction to cryptography and network security. Content or conventional encryption, classical encryption techniques, and simplified data encryption standard or SDES. First one, conventional encryption. Conventional encryption is also referred as private key encryption or single key encryption. Sender and recipient share a common key. So that is in conventional encryption, both the sender and the receiver will use the same key to encrypt and to decrypt the text. Here all the classical encryption algorithms are private key. Next, some basic terminologies used in conventional encryption are: first one, cybertext. Cybertext is the coded message. Next, cyber. Cyber is the algorithm for transforming plain text to cybertext. Next, key. Key is the information used in cyber which is known only to sender and receiver. Next, encryption or encryption algorithm. The encryption algorithm is used to convert the plain text into cybertext. Next, decipher or decryption algorithm. The decryption algorithm is used to decrypt the cybertext into plain text. Then last one is a cryptography. Cryptography is the study of encryption principles and methods. Next, classical encryption technique. The classical encryption technique is divided into two types. First one is a substitution technique and the second one is a transposition technique. First one, substitution technique. A substitution technique is one in which the letters of plain text are replaced by other letters or by numbers or symbols. That is replacing each element of the plain text with another element. Here, substitution involves replacing plain text bit patterns with cybertext bit patterns. Caesar cyber or Swift cyber is the simplest cyber in a substitution technique. Here, each letter is replaced by the letter 3 positions further down the alphabet. In Caesar cyber, uh, replacing each letter of the alphabet with a letter standing 3 places further down the alphabet. Uh, for example, so plain text is pay and cybertext is SDB. So here we are going to convert plain text into cybertext by using Caesar cyber. Here plain text is pay and this pay is converted into SDB. So see this example here, the plain text letter P is replaced as S and the plain text letter A is replaced as D and the plain text letter Y as replaced as B. For each plain text letter P, substitute the cybertext letter such that C equal to E of P. C means cybertext, cybertext equal to encryption of plain text equal to plain text plus 3 into modulus 26. Here a shift may be any amount, so general Caesar algorithm is cybertext equal to encryption of plain text equal to plain text plus key into modulus 26, where k takes on a value in the range of 1 to 25. Then the decryption algorithm is plain text equal to decryption of cybertext equal to cybertext minus k into modulus 26. Then next one is Playfair cyber. So here we encrypt a pair of alphabets instead of a single alphabet. So in Playfair cyber, so we can encrypt more than one letter at a time. So in a Caesar cyber, so we encrypt only one letter at a time. So whereas in a Playfair cyber, we can encrypt pair of letters or more than one letter so at a time. So it uses a 5 cross 5 matrix of letters constructed using a keyword. Here the matrix is constructed by filling in the letters of the keyword. So that is, first we have to construct a matrix, and then we have to fill the letters of the keyword from left to right, and then from top to down in the matrix. Here the letter I and J are counted as one letter. Plain text is encrypted 2 letters at a time according to the following rule. So rule 1 is, if a pair is a repeated letter, so we have to insert a filler letter like X. Then rule 2, if both letters fall in the same row, replace each with the letter to its right and then circularly. Then rule 3 is, if both letters fall in the same column, replace each with the letters below it and then circularly. Then last rule is, each letter is replaced by the letter in the same row but in the column of the other letter of the pair. Plain text is meet me. Uh, we are going to convert this plain text into cybertext by using Playfair Cyber. So plain text is meet me. First, we have to uh, create a pair splitting 2 letters as a unit. That is, meet me uh, is converted into cybertext. So first we create a pair from this plain text letters, and then we apply those rules to convert the plain text into cybertext. So here first 2 letters M and me are created as a pair, one pair, and the letters E and T are created as a second pair, and again M and E are created as next pair or third pair. Now we apply those rules to convert this pair into cybertext. Here the pair ME is converted as CL, and a pair ET is converted as KL, and pair ME is converted as CL. Then the second technique is transposition technique. So here the plain text letters are rearranged to form a cyber text. Uh, it is also called as a permutation cyber, so which means shuffle the plain text without altering the actual letters used. So railfence cyber is the simplest cyber in transposition technique. So here the plain text letter is written down as a sequence of diagonals and then read off as a sequence of rows. Plain text letter is meet at the schoolhouse. So we are going to convert this plain text letter into cybertext by using railfence cyber to encipher this message with a railfence of depth 2. So we write the message as follows. So first the plain text letter is written down as a sequence of diagonals. That is, meet at the schoolhouse is written down as a sequence of diagonals. So and then we read off as a sequence of rows. So here we read off as a sequence of rows. The encrypted message is ME, AT, EC, and so on. Next one, simplified data encryption standard or DES or ASDES. So the DES encryption algorithm takes an 8-bit block of plain text and a 10-bit key as input and produces an 8-bit block of cybertext as output. And DES decryption algorithm takes an 8-bit block of cybertext and the same 10-bit key as uh, input and produce the cybertext. The encryption algorithm involves 5 functions. First one is an initial permutation. Then second one is a complex function labeled fk. Then the third one is a simple permutation function. Then fourth one is the function fk again. Then last one is a permutation function, that is the inverse of the initial permutation. Yes, DES depends on the use of a 10-bit key shared between sender and receiver. So that is, so in SDS, both the sender and the receiver will use the same key to encrypt and to decrypt the data. So from this key, two 8-bit subkeys are produced. Next one is yes, DES encryption. So first one is initial and final permutation. The input to the algorithm is an 8-bit block of plain text, which we first permit using the initial permutation function. So then the function fk, the most complex component of SDS is the function fk, which consists of a combination of permutation and substitution functions. Next one, stream cyber. Here inputs are processed one block at a time, producing a corresponding output blocks. And then second one is a block cyber. So in block cyber, here the inputs are processed continuously, producing one element at a time. Typically, a block size of 64 or 120 bits is used. Thank you.